Welcome back to another video. Hey beautiful people, we're gonna do full head weave, no leave out. My client, she has natural hair, as you can see. I'm doing a little combing out. Her hair is long and soft. They're on the thin side, so the braiding pattern that I'll be using is gonna be very specific, and I'll be using as well extensions, hair extensions, to help me with the braiding. So she can so when you use extensions to do the base of the hair, the cornrows, when weaving or doing crochet or anything, no, you don't have to if your client hair is long and thick. But seeing that my client hair is on the thin side and she sweats a lot, so if I not braid it, we use the extensions to help with the braiding, then the weave is gonna be slipping easily. The weave wouldn't last not even a week, I'm telling you. So I'll be using some Afro Kinky braiding hair to help with the braiding. So keep watching, and while you're watching, subscribe. If you haven't subscribed us yet, please do. Share my video. Thank you so much in advance. Like, thumbs up, leave your comments, ask me any question about hair, and I'll be willing to help you. So keep watching the video to see how I braid and how I did the braiding pattern for the weave. And this is the twisted up. I'm using the twisted up Afro Kinky braiding hair. It's black. It's number 1B. It's 1B. Well, the color is not. It can be whatever color you want. It doesn't have to be 1B, but I like using 1B. And the reason why I say the color is not, it doesn't matter, is because I'll be using a mesh over her hair. Now there are several sizes in the mesh, and I'll be using the bigger size hole, so that her hair will be ventilated, so that her weave will be ventilated, saying that she sweats a lot, so we want the hair to blow in, the breeze to blow in freely. Finished with the braiding pattern. This is the cornrows that I did, the pattern that I did. I did bring some around in from the front and then do the back up. And the mousse is for moisturization. So seeing that she's gonna be leaving her hair in for a while, I am going in with some moisture, and then I'm gonna sew on the mesh. And before I sew on the mesh, I'll be doing some gel. I'm gonna be gelling up some of the shorter the short hair that I didn't braid in. It would have been torturous had I braided those baby hairs in. So I'm just gelling them up using my Shannon Jam gel. And yeah, and this is the mesh that I'll be doing. I'm putting the mesh over to secure so that the weave will last longer. And when you weave in the hair and the cornrows are not, you don't put the cornrows as close together. I'm using the mesh so that the mesh can kind of like create an illusion as to not be showing not too much scalp will be exposed. And I'll be using the Ibiza. I don't know how it's pronounced. Hopefully I'm doing it right. Ibiza. And with the human hair, we have the loose deep wave. 3 pieces, the 18, 20, and 22 inch. And I will start it. This is the wet and wavy. So you can actually wet it and it becomes wavy. Good quality. I love Ibiza. The hair is super soft. No shredding, none whatsoever. None. So I'll be starting with the shortest length first, the 18 inch. I'll be putting it on the back and then taking it around her head. So I'll be sewing it in a circular motion. My client's head is not too big, and I'll be doubling the weft. So yes, I'm doing double weft all the way around her head so that it can be thick. I made a closure, and this is what I how I made it. I just take some of the weave. I forgot to record. I wasn't recording, my bad. And this is the glue that I use, and I just put it around the circular motion while I'm putting it while I'm turning it. I just apply the glue on the entire weft and then spin it around. And this, I'm gonna sew down this now and then use some heat at the top so that it can be laid flat. And this is the finished look. I did use the heat, and this is the finished look. This is how the top looks. This is how it looks. This is how it looking. Yeah. And I'll catch you in my next video. Thanks for watching. Peace out.